now we enter the most important part of the house.
Yes.
That's the kitchen, right? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so again, this is exactly to the T, like the way I wanted, the amount of storage I wanted. It's sufficient for me.
Okay.
I again did not want everything closed. I love that controlled clutter.
Okay.
I find it very easy to just go, like while cooking, just grab the oil or salt or whatever.
Yeah. And these are your daily needs, I guess.
These
You
are
keep
all
it-
my daily needs.
Yeah.
So that's how I keep them. So
And I know you ask for a lot of drawers.
Yes.
So I guess it is very convenient for you to, access them.
yes, you can see like
yeah.
it's like you can just immediately pick up whatever you want. Even here also, you
These
have
are
given
big drawers,
this big drawers,
Yes.
and it's very very useful.
Yeah.
I did not go for the normal baskets, but I find this this
Yeah, there's
particular
a
thing
arranger
very
inside
easy.
this. So
Yes,
I guess.
yeah. So I just
It's very good. Yeah. And the chimney is also concealed in this, no?
yeah. So that was one
I
design
remember when
point
you were
where I.
asking specific about these membrane shutters.
Yes.
And this.
Yeah, that was an excellent suggestion from you. What was that? Cassandra. Yes,
Yeah.
I absolutely love it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's easy to maintain again.
Right.
And just wipe it off with a sponge or something with soap. And yes, so you can show this
Okay, that's
So
concealed.
yeah,
na?
the concealed.
Yeah, I remember
Yeah,
this.
so this
yes.
is something-
I remember if you don't want to have a loft.
Yes.
Yeah, I was wondering, everybody, like most of the clients, they actually ask for a loft.
Right.
And that's only to conceal the chimney pipe.
Right.
So this is something which we did new here.
Right.
The chimney pipe is
Yeah,
actually
it's
going,
going
inside
inside,
this.
yes.
Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah,
really
you can open it, yes.
It doesn't really reduce the space,
Right.
storage space. Yet it conceals the pipe,
True.
chimney pipe. Yeah, yeah. And of course, this is the place where you have your dishwasher.
Yeah, so and again the dishwasher inside the kitchen is just next to the sink, makes it very easy. Like you just wash and keep it rather than you have to carry it out
Into the utility,
Yeah,
yeah.
both the times, like once it's done also you have to again bring it back, right?
Yeah.
So here it's very convenient. If the maid is not coming, for me I don't have that extra job. Is
Yeah.
a bit part of the job is less basically.
Yeah, yeah. I know it was a challenge to actually give the plumbing connection.
Yes,
Because some,
yes.
certain buildings like this,
Yeah.
where we can't really move a lot of stuff, but somehow we managed within the sink unit.
Yeah, it's absolutely perfect.
Yeah. And this tall unit also, this is where you keep your oven and microwave, right?
Yes,
This-
yes.
Yeah. It's so good.
And everything is very it's within my hands reach. That's what I like. Like you
Right.
can just take it.
Yeah. And also this is a clear glass. I know you were
Clear glass.
specific that you wanted to keep your
Yes.
cutlery and other stuff, no?
Right.
Like crockery and other stuff.
And the crockery is here.
Here? Okay.
Yeah, so here it is all the day-to-day
Snacks or,
mugs and all
okay.
that, right? See, this is the and yeah, some snacks like pasta and all, like whatever.